Last time we spoke about programming languages and what they're designed to solve. This time, we're focusing on two key layers that every website, app, or digital system has: your front end and your back end. Knowing how they work, what they control, and the languages used is the first step to writing meaningful code. Front-end development is the part of a project that users directly interact with. That's your screens, layouts, forms, buttons, and navigation. It translates system behavior into human experience. It prioritizes usability, accessibility, and responsiveness across devices. It controls how information is presented, not how it is stored. Front-end developers primarily use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, often with frameworks and libraries to make interfaces dynamic and interactive. Backend controls what happens when users submit data, log in, make payments, update records, or even request information. It enforces rules and protects the system. It is responsible for authentication, validation, data integrity, and communication with databases. It controls how information is processed, not how it is displayed. Backend developers often use Python, Java, C, or SQL, depending on the system's requirements for performance, scalability, and security. The front end never makes final decisions. It only sends requests. So every login, every transaction, or permission check is verified by the back end. This is why a product can look beautiful but still fail. The real value of a system lives in its logic, not in its interface. When the backend is poorly designed, the entire system becomes unreliable, no matter how polished the interface looks. This is why scalability, security, and data modeling all belong to the backend. We also have what is known as full-stack development. So full-stack development combines both front-end and back-end development into a single skill set. A full-stack developer builds both what the user sees and the systems that power it. They understand how the front end communicates with the back end, how data flows through databases, and how to make sure everything works together seamlessly. Full-stack development gives flexibility to build entire systems and understand how every layer works, though mastering both layers requires discipline and practice.